Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an object to a chart in MetaTrader 4. Adding an object to a chart in MetaTrader 4 is a straightforward process. First of all, open the MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device and then log into your trading account. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the Codes tab where you'll need to go ahead and select Chart at the bottom. Inside Chart, tap anywhere on the chart to bring up a toolbar. In the pop-up, click on Objects. Now, go ahead and select the object you would like to add and press and hold to it. You will then be able to add the object to the chart at the top right. Now go ahead and tap and drag the object around the chart and you have now added the object to your chart. You can now go ahead and modify your object. Press and hold to the object and click on Properties. And then you can modify the settings or properties. Now you can choose the color that stands out on your chart, adjust line thickness or style, modify the parameters of the object, its visualization and style. That is how you will be able to add an object on your chart in MetaTrader 4. Once you add the objects in MetaTrader 4 charts, it will allow traders to mark specific area on the chart, identify trends, and predict price movements. So that's how you easily add an object to a chart in MetaTrader 4. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.